Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm here with another vloggy vlog, so I'm taking you guys with me. We are on our way to Clarendon to try out this new restaurant. Now it's 1 o'clock. I told her 1:30, so we're almost reaching a May Pen. Well, we're still up on the highway, but soon we reach the last toll. But what up on time? That's something we definitely work on. Time. What the word? Punctuality. Oh, okay. And also I got a new phone because this crack up. I realized like when my hand wet and stuff like that, the water seep through the crack and the phone do all sort of madness. So I got a new phone. It was gifted to me by Dads. Thank you so much, Dads. I really appreciate it. I know how long I want to unbox the phone and use it, but I want to do a nice little unboxing. You know, one of them videos where you take off the plastic over the screen and the look at ASMR and something about to rush it. So we are in May Pen now. We're gonna go upstairs. The lady said the place is located on Food Court beside Quest office, so that's where we're going now. Sweet and sour with fried chicken, sweet potato salad, and raw veg with rice and peas. It looks really good. Presentation is a 10 for me. I'm telling you what I want now. So I'm gonna take a big bite. It's good. So good.
But
nothing about I want my food.
You want my food, you will not buy rubbing there.
Guys, I'm not exaggerating. It tastes good. I'm mega support her. Just like how she could have invite us to come eat. You know me, I'm big on that because guys, trust me, when you can support people, support them. Mega order one. You know, a nice little juice, some may blend up fruit and probably carry one lunch here as well. I got the lunch, the Sean, and only for me and Jason food look nice. Look at this. Hi to the boss, okay? Thank you for having us. I really appreciate it. But just I show them just now, say, and me and Jason food alone look good. Presentation up as in the food. But yeah, tell me how we can find, you know, and number to call to place order.
Okay, so located at shop number 34 at the shopping mall in Jenny Towers. That's up by the Food Court, right beside us.
Yeah.
Your workers are friendly, staff friendly, bad, and everything just on point. And keep up the good work. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Hello beautiful people, I'm back home. I'm a change off and I'm a comfortable nightie. Mommy gave this to me and I really love it. This is not only for sleeping, because when I go clean, this is what I put on. Jesse came home, scour down the bathroom, sweep the floor, wipe the floor. Tell me why when Jesse wipe, him wipe better than me. Jesse wipe like 2 times. So him sweep, him wipe, and then him wash out the mop, change the water and wipe again. I love that. Right now Jason in a man cave and him now gonna come out because he make sure to tell me, say, babe, me done with my chores, because when we came home, me did a bit lazy. Me got lay down. Jason got straight to work. So your girl is done with cleaning and I want to do some unboxing now. So the first thing I want to unbox is this package from Waterbody JA. I've been have this package and I never open it because I never did want to ruin the surprise to myself. So let us open it together. She said something in there for me and Jason. So let us see. Packaging is always a 10 from Waterbody JA, always. So let us go in it together. Should I make Jason come see what I'm getting on? But in my edit. Purple is my favorite color. Thank you. Ooh. Okay. This is cute. This is so cute. Oh my. Guys, go over to Waterbody JA on Instagram. Go over there, go check out them page. Trust me, them have lots of cute stuff and she caters for plus size. I'm telling you, material nice. When I put it on, it just hug you and it just comfortable bad. Alright, next one. And this is for Jason. This is what I forgot at the beach. So you guys can get a try on up. Not my boo. Be matching with me. Aren't these cute? These are so nice. Oh, it's a detail on the back for me. Really nice. Really nice. I love them. I don't need to go over Waterbody JA. I'm going to put the information right here on the screen. So cute. So let us unbox my phone now. So this is the iPhone 13 and it was gifted to me by Dads. And it's midnight. The color is midnight. I think it's just midnight or midnight blue. So cute. So pretty. So pretty. And of course them not giving what you call that? The block, the adapter. Just the cable. I love the color. You know how long I want my phone with the color here? I don't even know. Matter of fact, you know how long I want a new phone? And I have the case as well. Just grateful. Hello. Alright, so this is one of the case. I love this one. So I think I'm gonna use this one. And I have this one also. This are the right case we using because I don't want that phone here. I don't want the phone to drop. So tomorrow what I need to do is go on the road and get a screen protector for it. I need to get a screen protector because I think the back is glass. The mistake when I make with the phone, then I now make with the one here. But I think I'm gonna put it in another case here. I really love this case. Plus I have a bag similar to this. Ooh, nice. So guys, this is the end of my video slash vloggy vlog. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100K. I love you guys. Bye.